Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to do a stage 3 remap on a BMW X3. We're going to use the ECM Titanium software like before. Click browse to open up the original file. Let it search for the correct driver, and once it's done that, you can click abort and double click the first one. So for stage 3, the first thing we're going to do is the torque limiters. That's 45%. So if you go back on ECM and put this there, so the torque limiter will take the percentage up to 45%. Click the percent button and select all of the data and press page up. Once that's done, you can save and exit. Click OK and do that with the next one as well. Click enter to access the map. Have the percent button selected and increase the values by pressing page up. Save and exit on that one, and now we can move to the injection. The injection is going to be increased by 10%, so we'll open it up and take the percentage down to 1. What we're going to do now is have the percent button selected. Select the data from 20 load and 1000 RPMs and drag down to the bottom right and click page up to increase the values. We're going to follow this step 10 times so that we can get a 10% increase. Once you've done that 10 times, you can close this and move on to the next injection map, and we're going to do the same thing here. So select the data from 19 load and 1000 RPMs and increase it by 1% each time. Make sure to save and exit, click OK, and now we've got the rail pressure. The rail pressure we're increasing by 5%, so we'll go back here and go on the map, click enter to access the data. Take the percentage down to 0.5, have the percent selected, and now select the data. We're going to follow this step 10 times with 0.5 increase to get a 5% increase altogether. And once that's done, you can close this. Make sure do not modify similar maps and click OK. Phase of injection is going to be 10% as well. So we'll keep the percentage on 1 for this, have the percent selected, and increase the values by pressing page up. Once that's done, we're going to move on to the fuel during acceleration, and for this one it's going to be 6%. So we'll keep the percentage at 1 for this, press enter and click the percentage button, make sure it's always highlighted, and now select the data and just give it an increase. Once that's done, you can close this, and now you've got the turbo pressure and the limiters are going to be a 12% increase. So we'll open up the first map, keep the percentage on 1, press enter, have the percent button selected. We're going to select the data from 19 load and 1000 RPMs. Click page up to increase the values, and we're going to follow this step 12 times to get a 12% increase. Once that's done, we can move on to the next one and do the same thing here. Have the percent button selected, select the data and press page up. Follow this step 12 times as well. Once that's done, you can save and exit on this as well. That's basically the whole map ready. You can click save and export it as a modified file. Just open up the main folder and rename the file whatever you need to. So I'll do X3 stage 3 power mod. You can save, press enter to save, and now you can close everything down. And if you open up the folder, you'll find the stage 3 power mod file is ready, and now you can put this into the car and enjoy a really fast car. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions for any other videos that we can make for you, then leave a comment on any of our videos and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.